Imagine owning 19 wooded acres in Maine with a stream flowing through your backyard. Set in the peaceful countryside of Morrill, this property offers the kind of privacy and natural beauty that defines true Maine living. Surrounded by woods and wildlife, the setting feels quiet, untouched, and completely removed from the noise of everyday life. Spanning 19 private acres in Waldo County, the land itself is one of the property's greatest features. A private stream winds directly through the acreage, creating a beautiful natural centerpiece that changes with every season. Whether you want to launch a kayak, watch wildlife at the water's edge, or simply enjoy the peaceful sound of moving water, this property makes it possible right from your own backyard. The home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with a flexible layout designed for both comfort and practicality. 2 bedrooms are conveniently located on the main level, making single-floor living an easy option for everyday use. The entire second floor is dedicated to a spacious primary suite, creating a true private retreat within the home. Vaulted ceilings, a large closet, and a private bathroom give the space an open and relaxing feel, perfect for ending the day surrounded by quiet forest views. One of the standout spaces is the Sunroom addition, which fills with natural light throughout the day. Large windows frame the surrounding woods and tree canopy, constantly bringing the outdoors into daily living. It's the perfect spot for morning coffee, reading, or simply enjoying the changing seasons. The property's location offers a rare balance of seclusion and convenience. While the home feels tucked away in nature, it's still just minutes from Belfast and the coastal beauty of Penobscot Bay. Nearby hiking trails, farmers markets, and year-round community events add even more to the lifestyle this area provides. This is more than just a home. It's a private Maine retreat where water, woods, and comfort all come together on 19 beautiful acres.